What is up, everyone? cryptoFOXXY here. Hope your day is going well. I'm here to talk to you today about Cardano, and I'm going to let you in on a few secrets on what Cardano holders are doing to mitigate risks. More to come in this video about Cardano staking and hitting massive milestones in that regard. Before we get into it, though, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into our video. So, as I mentioned, Cardano staking valuation hits 5.7 billion. What does it mean for the price of ADA? As we know, ADA has been moving down over the last several months. Cardano has dipped just below the 25-cent mark on Tuesday, bringing its October losses towards about 12%. On-chain analysis highlights how Cardano staking activity could shape ADA price action in the weeks ahead. So Cardano had failed to break the psychological resistance of 30 cents after a positive start to October. Investors are exploring passive income protocols to limit their losses at this point. With the conflict over in the Middle East, prices have started to retrace in October. We started off fairly decent the first of the month. We were all expecting our October rally, which fell short because of the macro events happening. So the number of ADA staked has reached a 90-day peak of 22.97 billion. So that's 22 billion ADA. This week, the market valuation of ADA coins staked reached a 90-day peak, $5.7 billion, which is 65% of the total Cardano market capitalization. That's a huge number, as holders turn to staking protocols to mitigate their losses. So what they're doing is they're staking to try and gain extra tokens, I guess, for when the price does eventually, hopefully, you know, uh, price eventually regains its momentum, and then they're going to have that much more ADA, as capital to make more money, right? So that does make sense, and given the some of the recent updates that ADA has or Cardano has implemented, they can stake in multiple pools at once. So it is a smart investment choice on their part to utilize those smart contracts and gain a little bit extra ADA in the process. Not investing advice, of course. If you're interested in staking, though, I would definitely have a look at that. As of September 28th, a total of 22.4 billion ADA coins were staked across various staking platforms. Holders have since staked another 550 million ADA, bringing the total to a 90-day peak of 22.95 billion. That is massive. So increased staking tends to impact prices positively as it temporarily reduces market supply. So it does take those tokens out of circulation, and it does increase the temporarily reduces market supply. Yeah, so it takes the supply out, and then obviously there's not as many coins to purchase, which drives the price up, right? So historical data shows that ADA holders have often increased staking during periods of sharp price decline and vice versa. So this is not something new to Cardano. This is the highest level of ADA staking activity since June 2023, and the short supply could help keep the price above the 23-cent support level. So strategic crypto traders are looking to buy the dip. We can see here the altcoin market has flipped bearish this week. The escalating crisis in the Middle East, while long-term Cardano is the culprit for bearish momentum flip. While long-term Cardano investors are staking, strategic new entrants are placing orders to buy more ADA, capitalizing on the falling prices. The exchange order books chart captures the number of active Cardano buy and sell orders. So you can go on the exchanges, look at their order books. You can see who's looking and who has orders in to purchase, who has orders in to sell, and the demand is definitely outpacing the supply by more than 30 million ADA. Well, that's definitely bullish news. As seen below, 64,000 addresses purchased 1.2 billion ADA at a minimum price of 24 cents as the most significant support cluster. But if the bearish momentum intensifies, Cardano price could edge closer to the 23-cent level. So it's definitely not looking the greatest right now. However, that's just a couple of things that Cardano and ADA holders are looking to do in order to mitigate risks. They're looking at staking, and staking is a very bullish thing. If you have especially 65% of your token supply is staked, that's a massive number. It looks really good for potential investors coming in, and yeah, it's an amazing thing, really, to see that much ADA staked at at one time. That's an incredible thing. But that's what I got for you in this video. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.